Hey everyone, it's your favorite pick instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best shoes for boxing class that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Asics Men's Snapdown 3 Wrestling Shoes. Wrestling has never looked so cool as when you're wearing these Asics Men's Snapdown 3 wrestling shoes. These wrestling shoes are made of fabric and synthetic with a rubber sole, which means they're perfect for standing and grappling. They've got tonal 3-stripe detailing, and the heel loops help keep your laces in place. You'll love kicking off your shoes at the end of practice to reveal these lightweight marvels that are sure to make takedowns look effortless. In addition, the fabric and synthetic are durable, making them tough enough for boxing class. A faux leather sole, breathable mesh upper. These shoes are perfect for balancing cardio boxing and martial arts. There's no way you'll be quitting in the middle of your workout with their grippy rubber outsole. Made for movement, they will better prepare you to body slam your opponents into submission. In addition, the faux leather soles ensure durability no matter what surface you're on, whether it's a padded wrestling mat or concrete pavement outside of your gym. The men's Asics Snapdown 3 wrestling shoes help you achieve success on the mat. They come dressed in breathable mesh uppers, kimono-inspired tongues, and synthetic leather and mesh for lightweight comfort. This shoe is ideal for training sessions at boxing clubs where flexibility is important, or when playing on carpeted floors indoors or outdoor surfaces where protection from impact damage will be crucial to avoid injury. The 4-foot engineered mesh upper is purposely made to offer a stable glove-like fit. But the small benefits don't stop there. The kimono tongue shape has been used for wrestling shoes and provides added stability from the opening all the way through the laces. It also doesn't hurt that the synthetic leather and mesh uppers are lightweight, comfortable, and breathable to enhance performance and fit. From all solid rubber outsoles that provide maximum gripping power, enhanced hydrophobic qualities, 4-foot flex grooves, and grippy soles with traction outriggers, these shoes are more than just grappling your opponents down this season. At number 4. Adidas Men's Mat Hog 2.0 Wrestling Shoe. The Adidas Men's Mat Hog 2.0 wrestling shoe is designed to take you through every match without pain in your foot because of awesome shock absorption. Your opponents will take notice when you're unstoppable out there and wearing these classic kicks. And those who look for chinks in your armor will realize they just got served as soon as they see what this shoe offers. These shoes are synthetic, so no need to worry about comfort, plus, rubber soles won't grip onto the mat like bubblegum. If you're new to boxing or just looking for some throwback vibes from your high school days, then these men's Mat Hog 2.0 wrestling shoes are perfect for you. A durable rubber outsole with side vents provides maximum traction on any surface so you don't slip up during sparring sessions no matter where they take place. Plus, there's an adjustable lace-up closure that will help ensure your feet stay secure throughout all your routine moves and bouts of footwork. The Mat Hog 2.0 is Adidas' first boxing shoe, originally designed for wrestling. This new version has a slightly slimmer silhouette with a flexible 3-strip design that will provide stability and grip during all your matches. In addition, the Mat Hog 2.0 wrestling shoe has been designed to be more flexible and lighter than its predecessors, boasting features such as an ankle strap for extra support and levels of grip for all conditions, from hardwood flooring to soft mats. These shoes have an open mesh breathable fabric for enhanced ventilation and an all-purpose grip for gripping your opponent or mat at any angle you please. Paired with one of the generation-defying blazers or Adidas running shoes, this timeless staple is perfect in and out of the mat area. Lightweight yet sturdy, these Mat Hog mat shoes are built for your training needs. Engineered by Adidas, they're designed with modern amenities like an airy mesh lining which gives you ankle stability and upper support from the foam padded collar so you can spend hours on your feet without fatigue. At number 3. Venum Elite Boxing Shoes. The Venum Elite Boxing Shoes come with multiple benefits. For starters, they are 100% synthetic and imported from Thailand, so you know the quality is good. However, what really sets these boxing kicks apart is their innovative tri-material design, which ensures that your feet stay nice and cozy during those grueling kickboxing classes. In addition, there's a glossy PU patent leather part of the shoe cover to make sure your foot doesn't slip out of the shoe or feel uncomfortable while being punched in training. These Venum boxing shoes have an imported construction and are 9 to 13 for both men and women. The tri-material blends mesh honeycomb on the top layer with glossy patent leather on the sleeve for a fresh style that's functional enough to use in any boxing class. Then comes with a PU flex material to keep it stretchy for added mobility on those double legs combos and mesh honeycomb for lightweight comfort for long hours spent sparring. The Venum Elite boxing shoes are designed for anyone that needs to be light on their feet without sacrificing support. With a tri-material construction and optimized comfort, these shoes will have you looking sleek while also landing hard punches in the ring. If you're up for new challenges in boxing workouts that demand excellence in footwear products as well, then you may want to serve a pair of Venum Elite boxing shoes. With its tri-material and rubber outsole, your feet are protected while you're pumping away with some serious punching power. The patented PU Flex material provides a supple feel that won't get hot or sticky during those tough rounds of hard sparring, letting your feet move freely to give you an advantage over opponents. We've got solutions for that, too, thanks to the mesh honeycomb design, which keeps water from seeping into the shoe for a dry fit at all times. The Venum Elite boxing shoes are engineered with a special comfort insole to cushion your feet so that you can continue your workout without any discomfort. In addition, the shoes have an anti-slip bottom for a great performance. At number 2. Ringside Undefeated Wrestling Boxing Shoes. The Ringside Undefeated boxing shoes are eye-catching and comfortable. They can be worn with a street outfit for a casual look or stylishly paired up with some tailored clothes during any period of the day. These Ringside boxing shoes feature a slip-resistant outsole, anatomically plated footbeds to improve spine alignment, replacing footwear that was only capable of providing lateral stability. With the angled sole puts your feet in better alignment, which improves stride speed while reducing the impact on ankles, knees, and hips. Airflow mesh fabric for foot stability and breathability. It keeps the inside of the shoe nice and dry even during workouts that last longer than usual, so that you won't feel any discomfort or fatigue in your feet for at least 2 hours of continuous training. A padded collar shields the ankle for improved support and a customized fit. The breathable mesh fabric of these boxing shoes also allows your feet to stay cool and dry during those long sessions in the ring or on the mat when you're pushing yourself until exhaustion. These Ringside Undefeated wrestling boxing shoes provide comfort and support for those intense sparring sessions while also being uniquely fashionable. Pair these with your fight gear to make sure you're at your best during practice. Competing at the top of your category, these wrestling and boxing shoes have been designed to last with a grip that will protect you in all situations. And if there's anything we've learned, it's that when you're fighting for every point and inch, the small comfort can be the difference between first and second place. At number 1. Core Wrestling Shoes High Traction Combat Sport Footwear. The Core Wrestling shoes are designed for an unmatched competitive edge with a grippy rubber sole, sleek design, and extra ankle protection. For the wrestler who goes to war on the mat and wants a reliable shoe that can handle anything. Rubber sole, good grip, perfect for sports training. These shoes are perfect for boxing training or any sport that requires traction. In addition, they provide the shock absorption you need to increase your agility and precision during tough workouts. For sports training, look no further than these Core Wrestling Shoes High Traction Combat Sports Footwear. The rubber sole provides a reliable grip so you can take on even the toughest challenges in pursuit of victory. If you're tired of constantly worrying about blistering or pinching with wrestling shoes that don't provide sufficient traction, then these are just what you need to easily walk right from one side of the mat to another without ever missing a turn in your training session. These Ringside Undefeated wrestling boxing shoes provide comfort and support for those intense sparring sessions while also being uniquely fashionable. Pair these with your fight gear to make sure you're at your best during practice. Competing at the top of your category, these wrestling and boxing shoes have been designed to last with a grip that will protect you in all situations. And if there's anything we've learned, it's that when you're fighting for every point and inch, the small comfort can be the difference between first and second place. These Ringside Undefeated wrestling boxing shoes provide comfort and support for those intense sparring sessions while also being uniquely fashionable. Pair these with your fight gear to make sure you're at your best during practice. Competing at the top of your category, these wrestling and boxing shoes have been designed to last with a grip that will protect you in all situations. And if there's anything we've learned, it's that when you're fighting for every point and inch, the small comfort can be the difference between first and second place. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comments section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.